Why do 98% of hikers make these mistakes? We're here to make sure you're not one of them. Sick of blisters and trail fails? We've got your back with DigiWin Infotech's ultimate hiking guide. Let's turn those hiking woes into wins. First up, pre-hike perfection. The 3-second rule to pick epic trails. No more boring hikes. And don't forget to weatherproof your hike with our magic gear combo list. Trust us, you'll thank us later. Next, it's time for trail domination. Avoid those silent killer mistakes 98% of hikers make. And grab our Energy Burst snack formula to keep you going strong without crashing. Now, what if things go south? Enter the Oshi ** kit. Fix blisters, snake bites, and storms in seconds. And if you get lost, use our Tree Whisperer trick to find your way back. Finally, it's all about post-hike glory. Our 24-hour recovery ritual will make sore muscles vanish. Plus, double your gear lifespan and save some serious cash. Why does this work? Over 2,357 hikers have called the results mind-blowing. And for a limited time, get our 5 trail hydration hacks free. Time-sensitive alert. First 50 buyers get a free wilderness first aid video course. So what are you waiting for? Grab your guide before it's gone. Link in bio or visit digiwininfotech.com. Comment hike and we'll send you the details. Subscribe now and let's hit those trails.